Hello, myself S.L Rastogi. I come from Greater Kailash, New Delhi, and I have been a cancer patient for the last almost 16 years. It was first detected in 1996. I had neuroendocrine tumor on thymus, and I went to very leading hospitals of Delhi because at that time I was not aware about Apollo Hospital at Delhi, and all the hospitals declared that because of the proximity of the tumor to the lung and the heart, the surgical intervention is not feasible, and they were suggesting that we have to go for chemotherapy and then proceed with that. But I was not convinced because I talked to the doctors and I understood that surgical intervention is the best possible cure for the type of tumor that I had. And based on this, then I came to Apollo hospitals, and surgeon here felt very confident that he can remove it without any difficulty. In 2004 there was again a recurrence, but the treatment that is being effected step by step at Apollo hospital is remarkable and incredible. I can say without any hesitation that this is the best hospital in terms of value for money. Fortunate for me that I am in touch with the doctors who have been treating me wonderfully, and of course, besides medical treatment, the most important aspect of this disease of cancer is the support from the family and will of the individual himself. Unfortunately, in our society, the system of spreading information about this disease is very much lacking. In case we can educate people and we can inform them that this is a disease which has to be managed and which has to be effectively treated and is not to be dreaded, I think it will do a lot of good to the society at large. Thank you.
My name is Ms.Nutan Pandit. I would like to tell my experience. I was admitted to the hospital in 2001, and I was diagnosed for blood cancer, ALL, leukemia, and I was given the best treatment from Apollo doctors, Apollo Hospital. I was under the treatment of P.K. Das and Rakesh Chopra. They gave me life and hope to live on. I'm an artist also, and I paint, and now I have started thinking, creating and exploring for the survivors of cancer patients. I would like to paint for them, and it's a great experience that I am still living, and I feel that there is always a.
Hi, I'm Ira. I'm 2.5 years old, breast cancer survivor, and I came to know and I realized that it must have been the capital C, cancer. I waited for 3 months. It was my daughter's board exams. I waited for her exams to get over so that I could get on with the treatment. I read and I was aware of what things happen on the net and on the other stuff. It was during my course of treatment that I met Dr. Dua at Apollo Hospital, and I'm truly so grateful to him. I remember one day when my son came back from school and he said, "Mama, I want to go and meet Dr. Dua." And I said, "Why?" He said, "I want to say thank you to him." I said, "Okay, we'll take a card and we'll go and say thank you." But when I was about to open the OPD door, he asked me, "Mama, can I do peripona to him?" I was amazed, absolutely, and I asked him, "Why do you want to do that?" And he said, "Mama, I got you back. I want to say thanks." I was truly touched, and I'm extremely grateful to Dr. Dua for that. Extremely. Not only me, my parents, and all those who are with me in this struggle. I want to say thanks to Dr. Jadhav, Dr. Sapna, and the team. If it wasn't for them, I would have never been able to go for the radiation. I have been to so many hospitals. But believe me, 33 days of radiation, and I used to be standing out in the corridor approx 2 hours practically every day to muster up the courage to go inside. I just couldn't, and they were just so patient with me. I remember Dr. Jadhav saying, "It's okay, I understand. Mama, Papa told me, it's God's grace that you're here. Anywhere else, they would have chucked you out perhaps." I'm grateful to him completely, and it's all thanks to Apollo. I'm grateful to Sister Elsensa, Florence of Nightingale for me at ward number 5 at Apollo. So humane doctor, such humane staff at Apollo. I was truly touched. I came, I saw, I conquered. This is our motto, a cancer survivor's motto. I conquered the Mount Everest. Or rather, we say we conquered the Mount Everest. 3 cheers to us. Thank you.